good. I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Nothing broke, bent? Can you breathe?
Huh?
You breathe?
Oh, yeah.
Alright? Alright, hold on. I'm gonna try to get your bike up. Holy shit. That rut, I saw that coming. Fuck. Just take a break. Hold on. Okay.
If you want, you can try and wheel him out. Oh, he's bleeding.
Just relax for a second, dude. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. You okay? Can you move your arm? Just relax for a moment, Chris. Just relax. Just relax. Catch your breath. You got knocked senseless there for a minute. Just relax, dude. Relax.
Catch your breath.
Relax. Lay still. Lay still, Chris. Lay still. We'll take your helmet off. Let's see if we can peel this back, okay? Okay, relax. Relax. Are you hurting anywhere? You hurting anywhere? Just lay still. Okay, his legs are moving, so that's gonna be okay. How's your head and your neck feel, buddy? Huh? Can you talk to us? You okay? Are you hurting anywhere? I didn't see him go down. Did you guys?
Yeah, I think he hit that big ass bump over there. Kind of caught him by surprise and catapulted him for a little while.
Oh, shoulder. Holy shit.
Damn. We're just on the downhill path.
Oh, my camera was going, dude.
Yeah.
Look inside your helmet. Look in here. No shit, dude. I don't remember anything. I feel like I just came to.
I think you whacked your nose.
Oh, helmet's full of blood.
What the fuck happened?
Oh, jeez.
I don't remember a goddamn thing. I don't even know. Woo!
Where's your phone?
I think you might have jumped and had a really...
I don't feel good.
Oh, let's take this on.
I'm sure.
Okay, let's see if we can get this off your arm. Can you raise up your hand? Oh yeah, dude, you fucked up your arm somehow because you're having a hard time moving it. You got fucking so much dirt up your back and shit.
What the fuck happened?
You wrecked your motorcycle.
Well, I gather that now.
You don't really know,
You bashed that like sure it wasn't raining.
Oh, I don't remember anything. What the fuck happened?
Yeah,
I don't remember a goddamn thing. I don't remember a damn thing. Oh, fuck, I hurt.
Yeah, we're trying to get Chris out to get him some help.
Put you down, man. You hug me real good. I'm just gonna push you up the road. You ready, bud?
Yeah.
Hang on. Damn. That sucks, man.
Can I get up this shirt for him?
Sure. Tie it around your arm? Is that what you mean?
Yeah, he needs it snugged up.
I was going to go ahead and buzz out to the road so we don't miss. Here, hang on.
Am I going
Is that
down,
better?
Am I going down the trail to the road?
Is that better?
There's nothing holding my arm in.
There's oh.
Oh!
Here, let me loosen it up. Slide it down your arm. Is that better?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Shit, man.